Wait, what is going on here?
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making some slime,
And you guys remember Zuna Rodriguez's channel? I'm the baby, and
this is my little sister Gisele.
I had grown up bigger. I'm now 7 years old.
Really, nigga?
First off, we got
Glue.
we have glue. We have some glitter.
Glitter.
We have these containers
We have food coloring
and some contact solution
and some baking soda.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna put some glue into our containers.
Okay. Come on.
Give me yours first.
Okay.
Don't notice that.
Stop. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot of glue.
I know, hopefully it looks good. Because every time we make slime, it literally comes out like...
Boo.
Comes out like freaking...
Poo-poo.
Yeah. It's like nice little turds. Okay. Next.
What? You
Food
remember?
coloring.
Really easy.
I think it is.
Don't.
Oh, okay. We're gonna look this up. Then we're gonna add some baking soda, but it says a little bit, like a teaspoon. So just add a little bit on yours. If you need
Okay.
any more, then we can just.
Nah, that's good. It's a half and a teaspoon. Okay. And drop
Then
a wash of glitter.
put the glitter.
paint.
Yeah. Pick your glitter.
I want mine.
Uh-oh.
We're missing a glitter. Where's gold?
No, it's in the middle.
Ew. So my color is gonna be gold. Gold.
Okay. Let me do,
Coming out.
let me
How do we get these out?
silver.
So how much glitter do we put? How much we want? Oh, I think I have enough.
You can put a little bit more in there. Maybe just put a little bit of glitter in there. Do you want color in yours or not?
Yes. Do you?
I do not.
You want white?
Fine, I'll do a few drops of this ink.
Ow.
Literally 2 drops. 1, 2.
I'll do blue.
2 drops. Because last time we did this, we literally stained our hands.
See. Okay. One, 2. Okay.
Yeah? Okay, now we're just got some pens. Pretty ghetto and ratchet. We're just gonna mix it up.
What about the eye solution? Contact solution.
We'll do that once we gotta get all that color in there.
Yours is getting really pink. Mine is still white a little.
Yeah, put that back into it. You gotta stir it up, girl. Stir it up.
That's actually red. Kind of reddish.
Okay.
Oh my
Is yours
god.
you wanna mix it a little bit more?
Can you mix mine for me?
Yeah, because I got that worst section. Okay, and then we're gonna put a few drops at a time and then mix it. And if we need more, so I'm gonna put like that much. Do a little bit on yours. Okay, and just mix it. Holy.
Yours is totally so good. Oh, look at mine. Mine's totally so good. Look at mine. Is mine good?
Yeah, you gotta keep mixing it harder. Okay.
Oh, guys, this is totally slime.
Keep mixing it, girl.
Oh.
So basically, as you mix it, it starts to get like this.
It's
gooey
totally slime. Oh, that's so
Just keep
much.
mixing it.
Don't get the glue off.
Just keep mixing it.
Get slime off.
You think it's slimy enough? Or is it not slimy enough?
Not slimy enough.
Yeah, it needs a little bit more solution for me.
You think mine does?
Yeah, just a little bit.
That's enough. Let's keep on mixing.
Literally, if you put too much solution in it,
It'll totally go wrong.
yeah, last time we put a lot of solution in it and it made it clumpy. I think this time it's not going to be as clumpy. Oh my god, those. Is yours good?
Mine's so slimy. Yeah, mine's good.
Is it getting...
I just mix it. Oh, it turns out better than last one. Oh my god. It's so long. It got my... It's getting everywhere. I got... Oh, great.
Is it good though? Mine needs a little bit more solution. But...
My hands! My beautiful hands!
Okay.
My beautiful slime. It's not... I don't think I'm gonna have a lot of slime, guys. Just to let you know. Oh my god. The slime... There's slime on the coloring! Guys, I'm gonna have to wash my hands. See, how are you not getting your hands dirty?
Because I keep putting solution in it, so it's getting stuck. First of all, grab your hands and go like this so you can get all that slime off your hands. Yeah.
Yeah, and you
Then pick it off and put it in there.
pick it off, pick it off, pick it off.
There you go.
Things off. Check it off, check it off. Ah. No, Pete.
This
What?
literally looks like...
What?
No.
Your slime is so good.
You think so? Thanks, girl. Bars. Ooh.
Can you fix mine while I wash my hands, please?
Anywho.
Remember those Americans Got Talent? Ugh, some of them are crazy.
America's Got Talent. So
Hey,
let's say,
I
let's
found
say
a
you
way
were
to
do
get
America's
slime.
Got Talent. What would you do for America's Got Talent?
I have no idea. Oh, dance. I found a way to get slime off the pen. Put the slime on the pen and then it'll stick it on it.
My slime's so slimy.
That's gooey. It's really gooey. Oh, we had so much fun. Ah! Yeah. 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 Woo! Okay. Put it all up. Oh! What the heck? This slime. Yeah, slime. Hey, this slime farts a little bit. What's so funny?
It does work. Okay, so now we're gonna like show you a little like clip of our slimes together and how slimy they really are. That's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down at the bottom, and also turn your post notifications on if you want to see what we post next. And yeah.
Anyway.
Do you have any last words, Gisele, to say to the channel?
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
I just want to say thank you for doing this video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.